हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर न्यू चैनल स्टेनो वाले सर। मैं आपको डिक्टेशन प्रोवाइड करने जा रहा हूँ। बी रेडी फॉर इट। स्टार्ट। इन इंस्टांसेस recorded here and there and in the future, surgical skill may show that the instances of known sequence of death might be made even more numerous. Stop. The assertion may then be amended by adding limiting conditions so as to say that provided this and that and the order be so, a bullet through the heart causes death. Stop. In short, instead of an absolute certainty or invariability of sequence, the assertion will be only of a very high probability of sequence. Stop. In most instances, no one thinks of making an assertion in absolute form, and it is easy to say that an assertion of causation means easily only an assertion of high probability or strong tendency. Stop. Thus, the planting of seeds in good soil at the right time of the year will probably result in a harvest in due season, but the result is not invariably certain because no rain may fall or the land may be built upon or other influences may intervene. Stop. Though we should feel justified in speaking of the seed as the cause of the harvest, yet it would not be intended to assert anything more than the seed has a tendency to produce the harvest. Stop. Coming now to an example of still weaker probability, suppose it to be asserted that gunpowder may spontaneously, that it is without human meddling, export. Stop. This is not saying that it will probably so explode, but merely that under a rare combination of circumstances it will do so. That is, it has a capacity to do so. Stop. Capacity then is a quality representing the same process of thought as tendency, that is, it represents the possibility of a result as compared with the possibility of a result, and above them both is notion of a still highest degree rarely realized in experience, that of absolute certainty of result. Stop. All these are in the same category. The difference is that the highest degree we think of the sequence as occurring. Stop.